Let's look at addition and subtraction of numbers in base 2. The binary number system base 2 is a number system that uses only two digits, 0 and 1. Unlike the decimal system base 10 where we use digits 0 to 9, binary numbers use only 0 and 1. Each digit in a binary number represents a power of 2. Now, binary addition follows rules similar to decimal addition, but it's simpler because it involves only two digits, 0 and 1. Now, we have some basic binary addition rules, which are, say, binary addition in our results. 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 0 plus 1 will give us 1. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. 1 plus 1 will give us 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 11. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we want to add example 1. Let's say we want to add 101 base 2 and 11 base 2. Now, how do we do this? 101 base 2 plus 11 base 2. Looking at this, there is an invisible 0 here. So 1 plus 1 will give us 10. We write 0, we carry 1. Now bring that one, put it here. That one plus this one now will give us 10. Write 0 again, we carry 1. Bring that one, put it here. 1 plus 1, 10 again. We write our 10 base 2. So this is equal to 1000 base 2. How about subtraction in binary? It follows simple rules, but requires borrowing in some cases. Now, basic binary subtraction rules include say binary subtraction in the results. Now 0 minus 0 will give you 0. 0 minus 0 will give you 0. 1 minus 0 will give you 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Borrowing in binary subtraction, if 0 minus 1, we borrow from the nearest one or the left. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we want to example 2. Subtract 11 base 2 from 101 base 2. Now how do we do this? We say 101 base 2 minus 11 base 2. Now 1 minus 1 will give you 0. 0 minus 1, 0 cannot. So we take this one, add it here, so it's 10. 10 minus 1 will give you 1. We are left with 0. So this will be equal to 010 base 2. 010 base 2. Complex binary subtraction with borrowing, like now Now, how do we do this? We'll say 10100 base 2 minus 1011 is 2. There is nothing here, so we'll add 0. 0 minus 1 cannot. Can we borrow from here? No. Here we have something is here, so we'll borrow it here. Now we are having 10 here. 10 minus 1 will give you what? 10 minus 1 will give you 1. What is left here? Remember when we were taking out of it? Since it was 10, when we took out 1 from it, it became 1. So 1 minus 0 will give you 1 again. Here now is left with 0. So we look further. Where can we borrow from? Borrow 1 from here, put it here, then bring it and put it here again. So 10 minus this 1 now will give you 1. What is left here is 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. You can decide to bring down the 0 here, base 2. So we'll be having 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, base 2. This is our final answer.